all the videos while I'm going away have been uploaded. Done. First off, yes, just got a haircut. Hair used to be like that. Got it trimmed off because it was a bit dead. Okay guys, so most of you right now are probably really confused as where I am, what I'm doing, why I'm vlogging. Basically tonight I'm heading off to Manchester, which is a place in England if you don't know. And then the next morning, so we're staying over in Manchester on the Saturday night, and then on the Sunday morning we're flying to Italy for work experience. So yeah, I'll explain more later, but I just want to kind of explain what I'm doing, why I'm vlogging. Let's go. But first of all, it's trampoline time. It's currently 3:27. We leave in about 2 hours and haven't packed. I'm a bit too hot, so I just put this on whilst I pack. I've left it till an hour and a half till we have to go. I still have no idea what I'm packing, so I'm gonna write a list because lists are great. There's a bird in the fireplace.
So what we're going to do, once we got the bird out alive using the bucket, at the same time it fell out and died.
Oh, you never told me that. Well, just a whole sitting.